Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wild Wilderness, and today we are going to be looking at some wiggly friends, some earth, and this. Hey guys, welcome to our first review, and today we are going to be looking at this product called Wormworld, and I love products that help us to get closer to wildlife, but yet we have to look after them very, very well. This product is called the Wormworld, and it's been made by a company called Interplay and designed by a man called Nick Baker. Now let's find out what's in this box, shall we? Right, so let's put this down by the side there. And right, what have we got here? Then we've got the sand, we've got the instruction manual, the cover, and the case. So there's no soil with it, and obviously there won't be any worms. Right, and so that means one thing: we're good to go. Right, then let's go outside. Guys, here is our legs, which we're going to use later, and here's our coloured sand, which we can use now in a moment. Here is some dirt. Here's our, thing that we're going to put sand and dirt in. Yeah, then we've got a little thing made out of a cup. You know how it works. Now, we're going to put our first layer of earth in. And guys, this is the coloured sand I was on about. We're going to put in, and it's here to make the tank look pretty, and it makes it easier for us, you, to see the worm burrows. The sand, the soil, and you know what we need now? We need some worms. But where can we get worms from? Over there, I don't know. Great, now we got our worms. Now all we need to do is put these little guys in. Do you want to go in? Do you want, yeah. Get go, Wormy. We put some rainwater in our soil, to make it, moist. Because if you've got dry soil, make sure it's moist. Got some leaves here for the worms to feed on. And as you can see, that none of the leaves are alive. They're all dead leaves because. Yeah, that's what the worms they prefer dead leaves than alive leaves. They'll eat dead leaves, definitely. I'll break this one up. Right, then we've got one more thing to do, which is put this lid on. It's got holes for the worms to breathe. So we're gonna put it on right here. One last thing to do is to put the cover on. So now, let's put it on. The worms have some nice shade. Let's put this out there. Right, so we have kept our worms in a nice, cool, shady place, and let's see what we've got. You might have realised our sand changed colour. It's all the same. Well, you see, we dropped it and then we had to redo it again with normal sand.
This shows the worms are burrowing underground.
This product gives really good visibility of the worms living underground.
So then guys, how do we rate this product?
Ting! Beautiful, baby. Ting! It's beautiful, baby, isn't it?
It's beautiful. I just love it.
Okay, baby. Subscribe and make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Hit that bell for notifications and thank you. Let's just put this down here. Welcome. Subscribe if. Wait.
I think straight down.
What am I?